Well, here's our LG washer. Leaking water. Got a problem with the water on the floor down here. And you can see down the back, got lots of water down there. Gonna have to figure this thing out, or we're gonna have to get a new one. Let's do some investigation. Let's see what we find out. Let's get this thing fixed. Don't want to buy a new one. Let's see what we can do. Well, we took the cover off the back. You can see we had water on the bottom. You followed the dripping, and that was coming from all the way up here. So we knew it wasn't any of the drain hoses. Then we took the top off, as you can see here. We took the whole top off the washing machine. There was just a couple screws here, one here and one at that end. And you can feel it. First of all, I thought it was this hose here. I thought the hose had a leak because it's all wet. So I thought we'd have to replace this, or if you're using laundry soap that creates bubbles, front load should not have any suds in the water. If there's too much suds, it creates a back pressure and you could get some water and suds coming out of here. But that wasn't. Then I put your hand on top here and found out that the water is leaking right there. So this keeps track of your cold water, turns it on and off at different points throughout the cycle. So let's get this replaced. It had been dumping about a cup of water for every load of laundry, creating a mess on the floor. Didn't damage anything. Time to get it fixed. Well, here's the replacement part. Let's take a look inside. There you have it. Pretty much identical to what we need to replace. Let's get her swapped out. First off, we'll have to pull the power, turn the water off, don't want to have a mess. And then we'll pull the clamps with some pliers, take both 3 clamps off, disconnect all 3 of these, and undo the 2 screws and disconnect the cold water line. Let's get at her. Well, we're gonna need to get some pliers for that one. And we'll get some pliers that take the clamps off. And this comes right off. Oh, just like that. That one was easy. This one. And then this one. There we go. Just pull the hoses off. Put it back together. There you have it. Wires are connected. Clamps are on. Screws are put back in here. and the hose back on. Now we're going to put the top back on. There we go. We put the top back down like this. And put these back on here. Hold the top back on. There we go. We put this cover, one last step. Put the cover back on here. Put the 4 screws back in. And there you have it. Well, there you have it. We just got to plug it back in now. Plug her back in. Back to doing laundry. Turn the water on. And there you have it. Repairing a water leak on an LG front load washing machine. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope it helps.